Hey, again, good morning, student. Today is the topic miscellaneous of chapter 12. Now that question number 1. Three vertices of a triangle parallelogram ABCD. A 3, minus 2 and 2, and B 1, 2, minus 4, and C minus 1, 1 and 2. And find D. Okay, this is shape of the parallelogram. You know parallelogram? A, B, C and D given, coordinate also given, but diagonal of the parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, parallelogram, rectangle, square and rhombus. In 4 condition, diagonal of the quadrilateral, in the 4 quadrilaterals, only 4, bisect to each other. That is, BD is and AC intersect at point O, then O is the midpoint of AB, AC and BD. Clear? So yes, short or simple formula. Or you can, second method, you can find this AB and BC and CD and DA in the form of XYZ form, and find diagonals also. Okay, so this equal to this equation and this equal to this equation, and diagonals are not equal, so they are equal, and solve this equation XYZ and find XYZ and putting the coordinate point, the lengthy method. So we are simple ke parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, so the O is the midpoint of BD is equal to O is the midpoint of AC. Diagonals bisect at midpoint each other. So therefore O midpoint of AC equal to O midpoint of BD. So use AC and BD. Let D be the coordinate x, y, Z, right? So O is midpoint AC by AC, A and C. A and C. So this 3 plus minus 1 upon 2 and minus 1 plus 1 upon 2 and 2 plus 2 upon 2 will be equal to B and D. D is given x plus 1 upon 2, y plus 2 upon 2, and z, this minus 4, so minus 4 upon 2. Comparing on both sides, x to x, y to y. Comparing, okay, on both sides. So this 3 minus 1, so 2 upon 2, and this 0 upon 2, and this 4 upon 2. This x plus 1 upon 2, y plus 2 upon 2, z minus 4 upon 2. This compare 2 upon 2 equal to x plus 1 upon 2, 2 cut. Okay, this 0 upon 2 equal to y plus 2 upon 2, and then 4 upon 2 equal to z minus 4 upon 2. 2 is not same, the 2 is 2 cut. Okay, this cut 2 cut, then transfer to left side. So 2 minus 1 equal to x, 1 equal to x, and y equal to minus 2, and this 8 equal to z. The coordinate of D equal to x equal to 1, y equal to minus 2, D equal to 8. That's your answer. Very simple. Chota formula. Find the length, question number 2. This is important. Find the lengths of the median of the triangle ABC. So this A 0, 0, 6 and B is a figure. You can take figure. Very simple formula. 0, 0, 6 and B 0, 4, 0 and C 6, 0, 0 in this given formula. Okay. So using this formula, median this is median. Joining the midpoint of opposite side of the vertices is called a median. This point is median, T point. This is also median, E point. Okay, this side this side equal to this, and this point is also median of CF. This and this. Okay, so find median. So this is firstly find this midpoint of the AB, BC, CD. Okay, so find midpoint DEF. D midpoint of BC, E midpoint of AC, and F midpoint of AB according to figure. Okay, into figure. Find this, and then after find the length of and 10th as well as 10th. Okay, so coordinate of D, E and F. So D coordinate midpoint of this formula, you know, clear na, x1 plus x2 upon 2, 0 plus 6 upon 2, and 4 plus 0 upon 2, and this 0 plus 0 upon 2 will be equal to 6 upon 2, this 3, and this 2 and 0. Okay, and E is the midpoint of AC. So 0 plus 6 upon 2, 3, and 0 plus 0, 0, and 6 plus 0 upon 3. Okay, and then after F is midpoint of AB. So 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 4 by 2, 2, and 6 plus 0 upon 2, 3. Clear? And find median. Length of median. So distance formula. Median AD by distance formula, under root x2 minus x1 square, y2 minus y1 square, and z2 minus z1 square. Use this formula. Okay, under root AD x2 means this difference, D is 3, so 3 minus 0 plus D 2 minus 0 whole square, and 0 minus 6 whole square. This will be equal to 3 square 9, 2 square 4, and 6 square 36. This will be equal to under root 36, 40, 49. 49 square 7. That's your answer. And other find as is similarly find BE and find median B and CF also. Clear? Now next question. Next question number 3. Centroid of the coordinate also given. Question number 3, very simple question. Okay, whose PQR is given. Can you solve? Solve also. Okay na? Centroid x1 x2 x2 x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3. Use this formula and also find to origin. So centroid coordinate given. Centroid coordinate of triangle is origin. Origin means 0, 0, 0. So using this formula and will be equal to 0, 0, 0. Also find the ABC. Clear? So now let question number 4. Find the coordinate of the point on y-axis. This is an important question. Find the coordinate of y-axis, point y-axis, whose are at a distance of, distance is given 5 under root 2 from the point P 3, minus 2 and 5. From the point P 5. Y-axis, the coordinate on y-axis, coordinate y-axis, other point 0, x, y, 0. only y-axis. So y-axis means other x and z are also 0, both 0. So this point equidistance distance equal to 5 under root 2. That is distance between this point is Q, new point Q. Okay, so PQ equal to D. Then D equal to under root x2 minus x1 square and y2 minus y1 square and z2 minus z1 square. Use this formula. 5 under root 2 is given. So under root 0 minus 3 square plus y minus minus plus 2 whole square and 0 minus 5 whole square. This will be equal to 9 bracket y plus 2 whole square plus 25. This 5 under root 2 squaring on both sides. Squaring on squaring on both sides. So 5 under root 2 square equal to square root cancel 9 plus y plus 2 square plus 25. Getting my point? 9 this and this, right? 5 25 to the 50 and 25 minus 25 minus 9 will be equal to y square, y plus 2 whole square. Clear? So this 25 minus 16 y plus 2 whole square. Under root plus minus 2, 16 equal to y plus 2. Okay, y plus 2 equal to plus minus 4. Therefore, taking negative value, so y plus 2 equal to minus 4, y equal to minus 6. Taking positive value, so y plus 2 equal to 4, then y equal to 2 to have this coordinate. The coordinate point points are have two coordinate points only. This x0, y2 and this 0 and 0 and this value minus 6 and this 0. That's your answer. Clear? And important question number 6, most important for your examination. A and B are the point A and B, 3, 4 and 5, and B minus 1, 3 and minus 7 respectively. Find K is a constant, where a K is constant. The equation of the point is given PA square plus PB square equal to K square. This is the equation. K is constant. K is any constant. Okay, clear? So K any constant. To find this value, find distance formula PA PB. Find PA PB by distance formula. Then equal to this 0. So respectively find this equation of this at the set of the point P such that this. So P, let coordinate P x comma y comma z. Okay, this equation will be coming in the x y z form. So PA, find PA distance अंडर रूट ओके स्क्वायर कर लो तो स्क्वायर से अंडर रूट हट जाएगा x minus 3 and y minus 4 whole square and z minus 5 square and PB under root PB x minus minus plus 1 square y minus 3 whole square plus z minus minus plus 7 square. Okay, now let equation PA square PB square equal to K square. PA square square root cancel, x minus 3 square y minus 4 square and z minus 5 square. This is a z. Okay, will be plus pb or square cancel, x plus 1 square, y minus 3 square, and z plus 7 square equal to k square. Expand this form: x square plus 9 minus 6x, y square 16 minus 8y, plus z square plus 25 minus 10z, plus this plus x square plus 1 plus 2x plus y square plus 9 minus 6y plus z square 49 plus 14z equal to k square. X square 2x square and 2y square and 2z square. And next x term minus 6x and this minus 2 plus 2x minus 4x and minus 8y and minus 6y, minus 8y minus 6y minus 14y, and z minus 10z and 14z plus 4z. Okay, and numerical value 9, 16, 25, 25, 50, 50, 51 and 9, 60, 60 and 49, 60 and 49, 109 plus 109 equal to k square, equal to k square. So this is a equation of a given condition. Okay, thank you. Complete the exercise.